When was the last time you had your vehicle thoroughly cleaned? At Ziebart, we believe that a busy schedule doesn't have to mean a dirty car.
Mom, what's for dinner?
Getting your car a quick cleaning might save some time, but a true vehicle detailing isn't a $30 one-size-fits-all job. A Ziebart deep cleaning interior detailing provides the personal touch of experienced professionals who pay meticulous attention to the smallest details. Our factory-trained, certified detailing technicians utilize a wide array of specialty tools and chemicals designed to efficiently and effectively clean every nook and cranny in your car. Chances are those professional detailing tools won't be found in a typical home garage or even your local car cleaners. At Ziebart, we clean every square inch of the vehicle, top to bottom, including areas you can't see. We'll locate all spots and stains, pre-treat and remove them. Our deep cleaning interior detailing kills 99% of germs, restoring your vehicle back to like-new condition and providing a healthier germ-free environment for you and your family. Whether you're selling a vehicle, turning in a lease, or you just need that 6-month thorough cleaning, Ziebart's interior detailing is the perfect answer to a busy schedule. Visit us today and discover the Ziebart difference. Ziebart, your automotive appearance and protection experts.